I'm back with some human hair drip from my good friends over there, Hermosa Hair. Y'all know we have worked with them for a very, very long time. They have definitely passed the test of time, because y'all know on this channel with human hair, we will try a company once or twice. If we like them, not once or twice, we get about 3 times. If we like them, then we'll add them to our rotation. If they suck, I tell you they suck, we never work with them again. And y'all know many have bit the dust. Now Hermosa Hair. To show you how much not Hermosa Hair, when I first started working with them, their packaging was black, then it was green, then it was pink, and now y'all look, it's this beautiful purple and gold action going on. And y'all know I went to the best school in the SWAC, Alcorn State University, so shout out to Hermosa Hair for doing that. And I'm a Delta, so frat. I don't know what's in here. All I did was take it out of shipping packaging, because I like to do everything with y'all. So let's look, sis, okay? The wig comes in this silken sack, okay? Ooh, I see curls, ooh. And they also included some goodies like they always do. They gave us a band with their name on it, 2 pair of eyelashes, that's pretty dope, and some stocking caps, and then the wig, okay? I'm reading off of this, but like I said, look in that description box and you'll see a direct link as well as all details. Okay, it says this wig is 22 inches long, 220 density, in the color 1B27, and it's Jerry curl. Now you know this gonna bop. You know it's gonna bop, y'all. Yeah. Y'all look. Yeah. Look at that. How pretty. Y'all, that is really pretty. Oh, and y'all, they got the natural edges. Look at them up there. Whoop, whoop. Natural mimicking edges, because y'all know I ain't got none. Look at them sitting up there real. Okay, this looks like a 13 by 4 to me, but that could be wrong. Look in the description box. You either come to the right, to the left, at the crown. This adjustable band. You also get a comb in the back with adjustable straps and bands. This is the band. It's like the bra strap look going on. Okay, before I cut off the lace, let me pop this natural edged wig on my head so we can see what we're working with. It blows my mind what these wig companies are able to establish nowadays, y'all. Look at them edges. Look. It's just magic. It's like magic, okay? And because you get all this parting space, you can part this just about anywhere you want. Okay, not only are the edges beautiful in this wig, check out this color. And this is at 220 density. And they said that this is Jerry curl. It reminds me a little bit of kinky curly, but this is Jerry curl at 220 density. I mean, this is why Hermosa Hair stands the test of time, right? Let's cut off this lace, play around with this unit, and then I'll be right back. Oh, crap.
You
on this hair, and this hair is definitely big hair don't care. I love the density on this unit, but understand that this is a showstopper. This is normally where I interject to say it looks like a lot of hair, but it doesn't feel like a lot of hair. No, this feels like a lot of hair. This is definitely, I walked in the room, you need to see me type of hair. Hold on, y'all, somebody calling me. Gorgeous, easy to manipulate. Those edges are so bomb to me, y'all. Look. All I did to this unit, because y'all know I like for y'all to get a realistic idea of what you're going to get when you get home. All I did was spray water and leave-in conditioner on it. And this is what we got. Sorry for the noise. I'm getting work done on my house. But absolutely gorgeous. I definitely recommend this one. But y'all, that's every wig we get from Hermosa Hair. Love, 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 love them. If you're looking at the description box, you'll see a direct link to this wig, all the details and all this jazz. That color is pretty too. I wouldn't mind having this in a straight version. Like I always say, maybe you're into wigs. Maybe it's your auntie Hermosa. I don't know if that's maybe it's your Uncle Herman. Whichever one. Send them to me and Hermosa Hair and we will get them right, y'all. Until next time, which will be very soon. Bye.